Watson and Rayner wanted to answer a really fundamental question. Is fear something we're born with, or is it something that's made? And at the heart of this whole experiment was this very concept. Watson had this theory that big, complex emotions like fear weren't just hardwired into our brains. Nope. He believed they were conditioned responses, basically reactions we learn to have through association. He just needed to find a way to prove it.
The way they did it was actually pretty simple and kind of chilling. First, they set a baseline. They showed Albert a white rat, and he was curious, not scared at all. Then, the conditioning started. Every time little Albert reached for the rat, an experimenter behind him would slam a hammer into a steel bar, a horrible, terrifying noise for anyone, let alone a baby. And after just a few times, that connection was locked into his brain. The rat, which used to be no big deal, now triggered absolute terror.
And what's really wild is that the fear he learned didn't just stop with the rat. It started to spread, to generalize. Soon, he wasn't just afraid of the rat. He was terrified of a rabbit, a dog, even a seal fur coat and a Santa Claus mask. Pretty much anything that was white and furry became a source of terror for him. And this is the part of the story that haunted psychology for decades. Watson and Rayner said they had planned to reverse the conditioning, to undo what they had done. But Albert's mother took him out of the hospital before they ever got the chance. So the lost boy was left with this phobia they had literally created in a lab, and nobody had any idea what happened to him next.